Kizzby Glass Dry Erase Board. Tired of old-school whiteboards that make your space look outdated? Let's upgrade it. You're watching the Ultimate Home Office Gear channel, your weekly source for smart, work-from-home solutions. This is the Kizzby Magnetic Glass Dry Erase Board. Pros: tempered glass, jacquet, smooth writing, no stains or scratches. Sleek, frameless look, elevates any office or classroom. Magnetic surface, pin docks with strong magnets. Includes tray, markers, magnets, eraser. Con: it's heavier than basic boards and needs neodymium magnets, but the upgrade is worth it. Whether you're teaching, presenting, or planning, this board makes your ideas pop and your space look amazing. Grab the link in our product description to get the Kizzby board now on Amazon. And don't forget to subscribe to the Ultimate Home Office Gear channel for more weekly reviews.